apple, red and sweet. B for ball, bounce to the beat. C for cat, it says meow meow. With D for dog, it barks so loud. A, B, C, D, ding along. Let us make our words so strong. E, F, G, let's go play. Learning letters every day. E for elephant, big and tall. F for fish, so tiny and small. G for grapes, purple and round. H for horse, it runs around. A, B, C, D, ding along. Let us make our words so strong. I, J, K, jump and run. Learning letters is so fun. I for igloo, cold and white. J for jelly, wobbles just right. K for kite, flying so high. L for lion, king of the sky.
M for monkey, swinging free. N for nest, up in the tree. O for orange, juicy and round.
P for parrot, making sounds. Q for queen with a golden crown. R for rabbit, hopping around. S for sun, shining so bright. T for train, chugging with might. A, B, stick and deer, we love letters loud and clear. U, V, W, dance and play. Learning letters every day. Whoa. Whoa. U for umbrella, keeping us dry. V for violin, music so high. W for whale, big and blue. X for xylophone, playing for you.
Y for yak with fluffy hair.
Z for zebra, stripes everywhere.
A to Z, we learned today.
Sing it again, hooray, hooray! Ha! Come on kids, sing with glee.